Today we are unboxing the Geekoto Gamers Mic Arm, GG mic support. If you're a streamer, podcaster, content creator, you know how crucial it is to have a solid mic arm. I had one of these creaky, spring-filled $15 mic arms off of Amazon for a long time, and this is a very welcome addition to my setup. So let's open this box up and see what we've got here. This low-profile, heavy-duty boom arm is designed to take your streaming setup to the absolute next level. After the paperwork, we have all of the hardware that you're going to need, the Allen wrenches and all of the extra attachments, a couple of extra white face plates to go on the arm. Here is the main piece of the arm itself. This right here is the heavy-duty desktop C-clamp. This here is the extendable arm so that we can make this as short or long of an arm as we want. Just right out of the box, it's already feeling pretty high quality, pretty heavy duty, and definitely not making any noise when it opens, when it closes, when I'm moving all of these parts around. First off, I'm going to be switching out to the white face plates just because I really like that aesthetic. So it's as simple as prying those off. They've just got a couple of simple clips right behind it. So we're just going to swap that out really quick, and I'm going to show you how simple that is. Once we're done with that, we're gonna actually put this together. So I put it together down here in the pub. We've got the clamp already on the bar, and we just really just put these pieces into place. Really not a lot of attachment or anything that we need to do, just kind of fitting those pieces together makes it super simple. Just about anybody could do this. This boom arm goes into place. I tightened it up just a little bit to make it a little bit firmer for my liking, and it's basically ready to go at this point. This pneumatic system can support all the way up to 6 pounds, so you're not going to have any issues with just about any microphone that you want to put on there, heavy microphone. I've used both my Elgato Wave as well as my Logitech Yeti microphone, and neither of them have had any issues being held up so far. So let's go and put it actually on my desk now. Really solid feel to this microphone stand. It extends all the way up to 31.5 inches horizontally, 16 inches vertically, as well as with that full 360 rotation. The microphone mount itself tilts 180 degrees. You're always going to be able to find that perfect angle with this microphone arm. The arm also has its own built-in cable management, which makes keeping the cables tidy very simple. One clip on the bottom of the pneumatic piece, and then the extender piece actually has its own cable slots built in. Everything about this microphone arm is just very simple, very easy to use. It's been a breeze to put together. This mic arm has been absolutely low profile, smooth, quiet, heavy duty feeling. I really like how this is all set up. Overall, I think this Geekoto Gamers Mic Arm is a solid investment for serious streamers and content creators. It's well built, smooth to adjust, and keeps your setup looking clean and professional. If you're interested, I've got a link to get your own down below. Cheers to Geekoto. Thank you so much for sending this one out.